Hi, I'm Rachel, a marketing specialist, and today I'm excited to share how UPDF's AI assistant is revolutionizing productivity in marketing. When creativity is key, UPDF's AI is my creative partner. It helps me brainstorm advertising slogans, social media posts, product names, and marketing campaigns with fresh, innovative ideas at my fingertips. You can simply ask, give me 5 product names for our skincare product for females aging from 25 to 30 with sensitive skin. When I need tailored marketing campaigns, I would simply share my target with UPDF's AI. For example, you can ask AI with prompts like, our company's product is skincare products. Please give me 5 campaigns to boost brand awareness in June. Then the AI will list answers. You can regenerate answers until you get what you want. I leverage UPDF's AI for translating and analysing PDFs as well. Occasionally, when I come across marketing reports in different languages, UPDF's AI swiftly translates them into my preferred language. Moreover, the AI efficiently comprehends table data, extracting key points and analysis results within seconds. This capability significantly enhances my productivity in processing diverse content. UPDF's AI assistant swiftly provides me with a curated list of marketing resources. For instance, when I'm strategizing to promote skincare products in European markets, I can prompt the AI with requests such as, we aim to market skincare products to 25 to 35-year-old females in Germany. List 10 relevant local websites for promotion. The AI promptly compiles and delivers the requested resources, streamlining my market expansion efforts. UPDF's AI assistant has completely transformed my marketing content creation and campaign brainstorming process. For those looking to boost productivity and ignite creativity, I highly recommend exploring the AI assistant provided by UPDF.